Hi, this is Attorney Joe Mitchell, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Pardon Process video series. I'm very excited to give you this series because I have a real passion for helping people who got in trouble when they were younger and now have turned their lives around and really have been suffering because of their past. This whole pardon process has never been easier. It's never been easier to get a pardon, and I want to walk you through how to do that process. Again, my name is Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com. I'm a Harvard-educated attorney who's been practicing criminal law for over 25 years in Philadelphia. And I've seen a lot of brothers and sisters come through the system and be stuck with these records, which keep them stuck for the rest of their lives. Your record doesn't leave you unless you make it leave you. And this series is going to tell you about that. Now, I want to say something about this organization who has asked me to do this series, and it's called PULSE, Philadelphia Lawyers for Social Equity. And it is an amazing organization made up of amazing lawyers and helpers who are dedicated to helping people who have been in trouble to get their records expunged and now pardoned. So I've been a long-time volunteer for this organization, and 2 years ago they put together this pardon project for people to apply for pardons, and I've been probably their top volunteer in terms of teaching people how to get pardons. So in this series, I've made about 8 videos on different parts of the process, the application form, and everything that you need in order to do your own pardon. Now, I want to tell you something really exciting, okay? And that is, if you get your pardon application in and you were not found guilty of a very serious crime. Now, when I say very serious, what I mean is you weren't found guilty of rape or murder or some other violent crime that is going to, or something very violent, something very serious. That if you have just a normal crime, you have, just by getting your application filled out and sending it in, you have a greater than 50% chance of getting a pardon for that crime, assuming that you've served your sentence and that you have shown that you are not the same person, okay? But here's even better news, okay? So if you do the stuff that I tell you in these videos and you send it in, a really good application, you get that application great, your chances of getting a pardon is over 80%. 8 out of 10 chance. If you watch the series and you get this thing done, even if you do it yourself, you have an 8 out of 10 chance. So please listen to the whole series, and I'm going to explain everything that needs to be done to increase your chances of getting this pardon. And I know that you can do it. So why don't you start by going to the first video, the next video in the series, and let's get started. Thank you so much for being here and listening to this series. And I hope that if you have any questions, I'm going to, in the comment section below, I am going to put the information for Pulse, and also put my information there. Okay, so if you are in need of an attorney, or if you just have a question, please feel free to get in touch with me or get in touch with Pulse. Pulse offers free services for income eligible people, and it may be a perfect match for you. So please use the resources, the videos, and get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks so much, and let's go to the next video.